Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that Bitcoin right now is at $40,099.50. Money flow starting to come back a little bit in the red right now on the 30-minute time frame. We are currently in a little bit of a trade, expecting a small pump possibly to $41,500. As we can see, this is where I'm expecting maybe a quick reversal towards the upside. But once again, this is a risky trade. Have my stop loss set. Hopefully you guys did the same thing in the Discord, making crazy gains as per usual. And if we do come up, this is going to be my target right here, set at $41,500. So I'm going to be exiting my trade around this area. So yep, we're moving on. Let's take a look at the TA2 chart. And as we can see, like I mentioned yesterday, we came back down all the way to the bottom of this blue line. I did say that we're gonna possibly get a bounce at the first level of resistance, which was the bottom of the green box, which we did. We got a wick perfectly all the way down here to 40,000. We came back up, and then we came back into this yellow line as resistance, rolled over and came down to the blue line. And if you guys put your long orders at these levels right here, you would have been filled and you'd be in profit right now of about, let's take a look, 1.3% with leverage, 20% if you guys use 20 leverage, depends on how much you use. Currently I'm in profit too, about 10%, so I'm doing pretty well as well. So if we do come back up, I expect to make maybe 80 to 60% on this trade. So yeah, moving on, let's take a look at Ethereum. Now we've broken this, there is the support levels, and we're starting to come back up. If we retest this as resistance, then it's possible that we roll over to our next support level, which is at $2,623. And then right after that, we have our next support coming in at $2,415. So yeah, overall not looking too great. Markets are shaking up. We ended the week today in the red. Entire markets down on the entire week. It's basically been a sell-off this whole week, except for gold having a huge week this week, up almost $100, I would say. You know, let's take a look at where we opened and where we're closed. I guess if you count from, okay, not $100, but still overall $50, really good gain. It just feels like it's like $100 because gold has been sitting at these levels for so long now. But overall, gold having a very good week, same as silver as well, and oil now starting to come down. Now what's next for the market? We know that Joe Biden has an emergency executive order coming out next week, so in my opinion it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news, and it's honestly, I think it's going to be pretty bad. I think if they implement regulations and stuff, it's going to be pretty bad for cryptocurrencies, and you're probably going to see the price drop even more. But that is my personal opinion. You guys can have your personal opinions as well, and you guys can share them in the chat, in the comments. Let me know what you think. But overall, I think when the rate hikes come, like I said many times, it's going to be bearish for the market. They won't raise the rates enough to fight inflation, but they will raise them enough to put us into a recession. If they raise the rates to 2%, like they said, it's so aggressive, and they don't say it's a tight monetary policy, it's a less accommodative monetary policy, which is still accommodative, which means they're still printing money, which means there's still going to be inflation. They're still throwing fuel on the fire. Now they're just saying we're gonna throw less fuel on the fire, but you're still throwing fuel on the fire. You're adding to the inflationary fire. The Fed is in a box. They don't know what they're doing. They are gonna have to make a decision soon. In my opinion, this is gonna be bearish for the stock market. It's gonna be bullish for gold. It's gonna be initially bearish for Bitcoin, as the Nasdaq is strongly correlated to Bitcoin, and when tech stocks and the Nasdaq sells off, you're gonna see Bitcoin drop initially. But I hope, in my opinion, my honest opinion, I do think we are going to recover quite quickly from those levels, as you know, a lot of people are going to be buying the dip on these levels. In my opinion, we might be hitting $20,000 to $14,000 if we do once we break 31 to 29,000. That has been major support for a very, very long time. As we can see, we can zoom out here. Let's just reset this chart right here. We can see Bitcoin has been holding these levels for a very long time now, all the way since January 2021, all the way through, you know, the entire year of 2021, and now you know, we're gonna see if we're gonna hold it once again. So yeah, overall very big week in the markets. As we can see, also Roku, like I said yesterday, if we do come down, we're probably gonna come down to $105 to $100. Where's Roku? Let's take a look here. We opened the week, you know, right at market open, we dropped down to $105, which was support right here. So if you guys were looking to make some quick buck on Roku and turn in 105, you guys made a little bit of a gain here. Let's take a look how much you could have made. You could have made a little 8% if you guys day trade stocks. But yeah, all these charts are available in the Discord. $10 a month is very, very cheap compared to some people who are charging half a Bitcoin to join their Discord, which is absolutely insane. You guys should never be paying that kind of money for, you know, potential crypto advice. It is just beyond me that some people are actually doing that, because I'm giving the same kind of advice and people are making thousands and hundreds of % every day, and they're paying, you know, literally 10 bucks a month. And I'm happy, because my goal is not to make money off you. My goal is to help you make money and to get you to your financial freedom. Now let's take a look at some charts that I created for some people, because they created some, I have no idea what these coins are. BLZ USDT. Someone was asking me to chart this for them and to see when it's a good point to entry, and he was actually about, or she, I'm not sure what they are, but they were actually about to enter some longs, right, and to FOMO in, because he thought that's it, the train's gonna keep going. In my opinion, I said no, this is a good point, strong resistance here, good point to short. It's less risky, and they could have entered in that short and they could have made over 20%, right, 22% with leverage. And you could even have shorted right here at 21 cents, and you could have made, let's take a look here, you could have made also another 12% with leverage. That is just amazing gains right there. You could have made 400% if you were to use 20 leverage. You guys are just crazy right now. It's so easy to chart these, and if you guys want me to do it for you, just let me know in the Discord. Gold members get all that privilege. And right here, like I said, potential short resistance. Someone should have shorted this right here, Gala USDT. I don't trade these, but I'm telling you, 19% right there, another 20% gain right on the day, just on the spot market, no leverage. And like I said right here, once again, potential long, but not that strong support. A little bit more risky. You could have placed in some long orders. They would have been filled at the blue line. You could have made another 4% with leverage 80%. Once again, second support level, a little bit more risky. And then now here, strong support coming in. Good place to long. It's definitely less risky. So if you guys want to place some long orders, I'd be aiming at 17 cents per Gala. Thank you so much for your support, guys. You guys have been awesome. We're going to take a look at the weekly time frame on Sunday. Let's see if we're going to start to roll over and continue the downtrend, and the money flow is going to turn into the red in the weekly time frame. But right now, it's a little bit too early to tell. The 4-day is in the red. The 3-day is in the red as well. The 2-day as well. But the daily, the daily's still in the red. And we're actually starting to roll over too, which is not too good. But we're just going to have to see how the monthly candle ends in 9 days, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for your support, guys. You guys have been awesome. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Really appreciate the support, and just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be trading futures and options on Delta Exchange. You guys can definitely check them out. I'm very excited to partner up with them. I'm going to be trading perpetual contracts and option futures. So very first time you can be trading crypto futures and options with you guys. Definitely check them out. You guys can use my referral link in the description. And if you need any more information, definitely join the Discord. I am happy to help you. Love you guys. Peace.